Welcome. If you've been using Telegram on your PC and noticed the new update, you might be wondering how to make the app look more native and consistent with your system. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to enable the Use System Window Frame option on Telegram, which gives your app a cleaner, more integrated appearance with your operating system. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Telegram desktop app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so you can access this feature without any issues. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on it to open the main menu. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Inside Settings, keep scrolling until you find the Advanced option. Go ahead and click on that to open more detailed settings. Now, in the Advanced section, look for the option labeled Use System Window Frame. Once you find it, simply check the box next to it. As soon as you enable this option, you'll notice a change in how Telegram appears.